How you going? I just thought I'd do a quick tutorial today on how to make these Paracord Cobra weave zipper pulls. These are quite easy to make and they're a fun little project, so I thought I'd give you a run through. So what you're going to need is scissors, some paracord, and a lighter of some description. So firstly, if you just get a few feet of paracord, I think I'm running at about 2 feet worth of it there. More is better than less, but you'll sort of get the feel for how much you need. If we start with 2 feet, that's going to be about right. So what you want to do is make a loop to the middle point. That will be sort of this part of your zipper pull, and then work out how long you want to make it. So this one's a little bit long, so we'll make it a bit shorter than that. So there we go, about that long. Flip it over and hold it at that point where you want the end point to be. And with this one, we will just come over the front in a loop, like that. And with this one, we'll do a loop that comes through the back. This is how to make the starting knot. And yeah, so that loop will come up and through, up and around and through that. And the same with this one, it'll come around and through that one. And then if we just tighten them up, we've got a nice solid starting knot there. So this is just learning one step and then repeating it over and over. So take this one in your right hand, make a loop across the front so that it looks like that. Take the string from the left, take that over the top of the loose one here, underneath the whole thing, and up through that loop. And then if you just pull that tight, you will have the first step in this process. And you just repeat that over and over, but making sure that the one that goes over the top is always the one that goes over the top. So that'll be this one this time. Loop that over, under and through the loop, and then tighten that. And then just keep repeating that. And there we go. That's as long as I want to make this one. Just make sure everything's tight, and as you can see, it's got that cool pattern. So to finish this off, we flip it over, chop off the ends of this, give it a little bit of leftover, and then this is the tough part. If you've got sensitive fingers, maybe do this with some gloves or some pliers. So you just want to quickly heat the two ends and stick them together. It may not always work first time. And then once they're together, you can just give it a bit more of a heat and then just smooth that over, and there we go. We have a cool Cobra weave zipper pull. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Yeah, thank you for watching.